A donkey and a chicken set out on a mission to open on the barnyard gate. The donkey and the chicken fought on the one to be missing, but not without the tragic twist of fate. Ice cream, sweet sticky glorious ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. There's such a treat in the world. They chewed and they chomped, they kicked and they stomped, they ate and they ate some more. They had so much fun, but when it was done, their bellies was very sore. The donkey and the chicken all thumped and line a second, heard the farmer call them home. But so much fun they eaten, they could have ever eaten, and had to sleep on the side of the road.